Yo, hello, this is Ben, and I play keyboard, I play drums, and I play guitar. And I'm here basically to share with you. We are going to be doing a book review today, and we are going to be reviewing some of the things in my book. I have written out a book for beginners basically. You know, when someone is beginning their journey, especially with keyboard, uh, they go through a series of things, looking out for very many things, and sometimes they look for those things and they never get them, and they may actually play for many years without getting to know some of those things until they land on a video like this one that I'm making for you, where we are going to be doing the review, and I'm going to be telling you where you can get yourself a copy of this book. And then we are going to be doing actually more PDF reviews, and these are piano PDFs, keyboard PDFs, talking about various things that you may not find on YouTube. Yeah, YouTube may show you the course, they may show you some beautiful notes, some beautiful skills, but there are things they may not tell you about, like the mental play. They may not tell you about that. They may not define for you the buttons on your keyboard, what you're going to use each of them, how important each of them is. And that's what we are going to be doing on this channel today. That's what we are going to be doing in today's lesson, today's beautiful lesson. I love this. So we are going to start by reviewing a book titled The Spark Sounds of the Keyboard for Beginners. This book is written by me, and it is basically for those who are starting out on their piano journey. So they are going to be learning, they are going to be starting. Those are the people that this book actually addresses. And nevertheless, if you have been playing maybe for 7 years, maybe for 6 years, and there are things you would love to know about the beginning session, we got you. Yeah. So let's do a quick review of this. So you can go on Amazon and then you just type in the Spark Sounds of the Keyboard by Shomia Ben, and you'll get yourself a copy you can purchase over there. Yes. So the book here, it has an introduction to the keyboard and things you have to look out for as when you're starting your keyboard journey. We have beautiful chords, all the chords, different chords. The book talks about the different scales, major and minor scales. Then we have notes and the names and arrangement of notes. So we also have progressions and then songs as our additional. I think this is so beautiful for beginners because they are going to be enjoying themselves. Yes. So we start here with chapter 1, and the writer here introduces. Okay, now the writer is me, but he introduces here something beautiful. He says introduction to keyboard, and then he talks about the musical keyboard. Now there are many keyboards. We are not talking about the keyboard on your laptop or the keyboard that you use on your desktop. We are talking about the musical keyboard, a keyboard that sounds like this. Yeah, I got a keyboard down here, and we have another here. So these are musical keyboards. So the musical keyboard looks like this, or sounds like the one that you're hearing right here on when I'm playing. So that's the musical keyboard. You play with it where it says. So the writer defines it as an electrical musical instrument. It's actually, he says, it is a digital electrical musical instrument containing digital sounds of traditional instruments. Okay, so he lets us know that actually the keyboard, it is like a storehouse because it is having sounds of traditional instruments. Now, when you look on your keyboard, you may